Greetings, fellow time travelers. Welcome back to Secrets of the Ancients, where we uncover the hidden mysteries of lost civilizations and dive deep into the secrets that shaped our world. I'm your archaeological guide, and today we're embarking on a journey that will absolutely blow your mind. Picture this. Scattered across our planet, there exist 12 mysterious locations where the laws of nature seem to bend, where ships vanish without a trace, and where ancient civilizations disappeared overnight. These aren't random spots, they're connected in a pattern so perfect, it defies coincidence. Are we looking at ancient knowledge, natural phenomena, or something far more extraordinary? Before we unveil these incredible secrets, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Trust me, you don't want to miss the ancient mysteries we're about to reveal. Let's start our journey with the most famous of these mysterious zones, the Bermuda Triangle. Fellow explorers, what makes this place so terrifying isn't just legend, it's cold, hard facts. Over 50 ships and 20 aircraft have mysteriously vanished in this triangular zone between Florida, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. But here's what will amaze you. The Bermuda Triangle is just one piece of a much larger puzzle. Recent archaeological analysis has revealed something incredible. This zone is part of a global network of 12 identical locations. Now, let's travel back in time to 2,500 years before Christ, to the ancient Indus Valley. Imagine a thriving metropolis called Mohenjo-Daro in what is now Pakistan. This wasn't just any city, it was home to 40,000 people, a massive urban center for its time. But here's the mystery that baffled archaeologists for decades. Around 1,700 years before Christ, every single inhabitant disappeared. The city was simply abandoned. In the 1940s, archaeologists discovered 39 human skeletons scattered across the site. Pay attention to this incredible detail. These weren't bodies that had been properly buried. They were found lying in the streets, as if death had struck suddenly, and without warning. What catastrophe could have wiped out an entire civilization overnight? Some researchers suggested invasion by a rival civilization. Others proposed more extraordinary theories, including ancient extraterrestrial intervention or a devastating natural disaster we don't yet understand. The truth remains one of archaeology's greatest unsolved mysteries. Let's move our expedition to 11th century Africa, where another enigmatic civilization flourished, Great Zimbabwe, a magnificent stone city that at its peak housed 18,000 people. This architectural marvel stood as a testament to African engineering genius. But in the 15th century, something happened. The entire population vanished, leaving behind only questions. What archaeologists discovered at this site will astound you. 8 extraordinary sculptures known as the Zimbabwe Birds, carved from soapstone and mounted on stone pillars nearly 1 meter tall. These artifacts are absolutely unique. Nothing like them has ever been found anywhere else on Earth. What do these mysterious birds represent? Some experts believe each sculpture symbolized a new king. Others suggest they represented sacred animals revered by the ancient inhabitants. But here's what makes this even more intriguing. Local legends speak of a small, strange figure, sometimes seen wandering the ruins, always disappearing before anyone can approach. Our archaeological journey now takes us across the vast Pacific Ocean to one of the most remote inhabited places on Earth, Easter Island. This isolated volcanic island holds secrets that continue to perplex modern engineers and archaeologists alike. Imagine this scene with me. Nearly 1,000 massive stone statues called Moai standing sentinel across the island. Some of these giants reach almost 9 meters in height and weigh up to 80 tons. That's the weight of 11 adult elephants carved from solid, volcanic rock. But here's the puzzling question that has stumped researchers for generations. How did the inhabitants create and transport these colossal monuments between the years 1100 and 1680? Remember, we're talking about an era with no modern machinery, no wheels, no advanced technology as we know it. Recent excavations have revealed something incredible about these statues. Scientists discovered that many Moai have entire bodies buried underground. What we see above ground is just the head and shoulders. Some theories suggest the statues were walked across the island using ropes and coordinated rocking motions. Others propose wooden rollers were used to transport them. The most extraordinary theories. Some researchers have suggested the involvement of forces beyond our current understanding. What do you think, fellow explorers? Let's journey now to North Africa, where the Sahara Desert conceals architectural marvels that rival Egypt's mysteries. Welcome to the Jedders of Algeria, 13 mysterious monuments that have puzzled archaeologists since their discovery. These structures, built between the 4th and 7th centuries, feature square stone bases and angular mounds unlike anything else in the ancient world. But here's what will blow your mind: we still have absolutely no idea what they were built for. One monument contained a Latin inscription, but centuries of erosion have rendered it almost completely illegible. The leading theory suggests these were royal tombs for important figures, but we don't know who might be buried there. What makes this location even more mysterious? The region is surrounded by local legends telling of unexplained disappearances throughout history. Could there be a connection? Fellow time travelers, if the Bermuda Triangle sent chills down your spine, prepare yourself for its Pacific twin, the Dragon's Triangle, located south of Tokyo. This zone shares the same terrifying reputation for unexplained disappearances of ships and aircraft. But one story from 1945 will absolutely haunt you. A pilot reportedly sent a final radio transmission describing something extraordinary happening in the sky, as if the heavens themselves were opening up. What natural or supernatural forces could create such phenomena in two locations on opposite sides of the globe? When you search for Hamakulia volcano on modern mapping tools, you'll find yourself in Hawaii's famous Ring of Fire. But here's what makes this location truly extraordinary. Information about this place is mysteriously scarce. Ancient legends speak of unusual electrical energy in this region. One fascinating account describes an aircraft flying over the volcano before completely vanishing from all radar systems. What could cause such electromagnetic anomalies? Now let's discuss a mystery that affects not just sailors and pilots, but astronauts and satellites. The South Atlantic anomaly is a region where Earth's natural radiation becomes completely unpredictable. While this doesn't directly impact our daily lives on the surface, the effects on Earth's atmosphere are significant. The radiation here is so intense it can disrupt spacecraft computers and affect satellite data transmission. To counter this problem, scientists equipped the International Space Station with additional shielding. Astronauts passing through this zone report seeing random flashes of light resembling shooting stars, an optical illusion caused by cosmic radiation interacting with their eyes. From radiation to mysterious seismic activity, the Wharton Basin in the Indian Ocean has captured scientific attention for its extraordinary tectonic events. In April 2012, a magnitude 8.6 earthquake struck this region, creating huge scientific interest and numerous questions. This earthquake was considered the largest intraplate earthquake ever recorded, occurring within a tectonic plate rather than at its boundaries. This phenomenon has captivated scientists who now hypothesize that the region might be creating a new boundary between the Australian and Indian plates. Could we be witnessing the birth of a new continental divide? Let's descend now into one of Earth's deepest and most forbidding locations, the New Hebrides Trench in the Pacific Ocean. This massive underwater trench stretches approximately 1,200 kilometers long and 70 kilometers wide. It formed when the Australian plate plunged beneath the New Hebrides plate, creating one of the deepest and most ominous places in the ocean. But the dangers of this zone don't stop at the abyss itself. The New Hebrides Trench is associated with several earthquakes that have struck New Caledonia and Vanuatu. Moreover, some observations intrigue researchers greatly. For example, no trace of the grenadier fish, one of the most common deep-sea species, has been detected during scientific explorations. Why is this particular fish absent from this specific trench? Perhaps it holds answers we don't yet understand. Fellow ancient seekers, our final two vortex cities lie at Earth's opposite extremities, the North Pole and South Pole. These frozen wastelands share a common characteristic: mysterious disappearances. One of the most famous cases at the North Pole dates back to 1897. 3 intrepid explorers attempting to reach the pole by hot air balloon never completed their journey. Their disappearance remains one of the most captivating mysteries in Arctic exploration history. As for the South Pole, it too is shrouded in mystery. Estimates suggest hundreds of people could rest beneath the layers of snow and ice on this glacial continent. Despite technological advances, this region remains dangerously hostile. Temperatures plunge to minus 90 degrees Celsius and winds can blow at speeds reaching 320 kilometers per hour. Now, fellow explorers, here's something that will absolutely astound you. When you observe a detailed map, these mysterious locations appear distributed according to an astonishingly regular global pattern. By connecting these 12 points marked by unexplained phenomena, we obtain a geometric figure, an icosahedron, known to some as a 20-sided die. This shape divides Earth's surface into nearly perfect triangular sections. Is this mere coincidence, or does it reveal ancient knowledge about Earth's energy grid? Could ancient civilizations have known about these power points thousands of years ago? Fellow time travelers, we've journeyed across continents and oceans, uncovering 12 mysterious locations that challenge our understanding of natural phenomena and ancient wisdom. From the vanished city of Mohenjo-Daro to the frozen poles, from Easter Island's silent giants to the Dragon's Triangle's electromagnetic mysteries, each location adds another piece to an extraordinary puzzle. What connects these 12 vortex cities? Natural geological patterns, ancient astronomical knowledge, or something beyond our current scientific understanding? The truth is, archaeology continues to reveal new discoveries every year. What we consider mysterious today might be understood science tomorrow, but until then, these locations remain among Earth's greatest enigmas. What do you think, ancient seekers? Are these 12 vortex cities connected by natural forces, or could there be evidence of ancient knowledge we've yet to rediscover?